Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Willis from Simple Cloudware, and today we're continuing our series going from knowing absolutely nothing to having a professional website hosted in the cloud for pennies a day. In today's episode, we're going to talk about form structure. All right, let's take a look at how we lay out a form. And just a precursor, a form is the fundamental component of the website because it gives you the ability to interact with the person that is using the site. So you can have forms that collect user data or any number of things so that you can communicate with your customer. So let's look at how these forms are laid out. So if we go over here to the code, we can see that there is a form tag which has varying things in here, classes which we are familiar with. And then as we scroll down here, you can see that there is an input type text, and this is a classic text box. And you can see it has a class of a form control so that the Bootstrap can actually make it look nice. And then every one of these text fields that we so commonly use have two other pieces connected to them. The first piece is right above it, and it's called a label. And you see this label has a label for, and this connects the label to the actual input field through the name. The second thing that it has down here in this div is the ability to show validation, which is another essential piece of this because as people are typing things in, we need to know if it's correct, and if it isn't, we need to give feedback that helps them fill it out appropriately. And the next piece of a form, when we scroll down here, is the submit button. And we can see right here, this is a tag button with a type submit. And then we have the text over here that just says send message. And this is what interacts with the form tag at the top. And you see over here, we have this ng submit. So when you click on that, it goes to this top form tag to see what you want to do. And we'll cover exactly what this does in a later video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download the project below. It is a complete Bootstrap professional project in which you can follow along and use for yourself to publish your own content and website into the cloud. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And remember, hit the like and the subscribe button so people just like you can find this video. And remember, keep your head in the cloud.